Hey my creators, welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, we are going to be making a ranch pasta with salmon. Okay, so I guess I'll call it like a ranch fajita salmon pasta, salmon fajita ranch. We don't know, we're gonna name it once we get there. But I have here 16 ounces of my Italian cheese blend. I have here Tish's Creative Cooking Ranch Seasoning. Head on over to our website for your seasoning, y'all. We have spicy, we have sweet, we have everything you need in between. I have here 2 cups of my heavy cream, 1 stick of butter. I have a block of cream cheese, some penne noodles, some fajitas, aka red peppers, green peppers, and the onions. And then I have my salmon here. Okay, my creators, let's get it. Okay, y'all, so let's chop these peppers up here. Girl, this a whole onion. You said peppers. Let's chop these onions up here, y'all. You can slice them, dice them, whatever you want to do. All up to you. I won't bore you guys with chopping all of these up. But I was just chop a few up with y'all. Okay. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna finish chopping these. You gotta say it again, baby.
Hi, Tita. What are you cooking?
So how you guys doing today?
How you guys doing today? And that's it. That's it.
Okay, you guys. So I went ahead and seasoned my salmon with my all-purpose seasoning. What we're gonna do is pour the noodles right in the pan. Make sure that you cook them al dente according to your package, okay? Most likely that's like 10 to 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. However you like your noodles, you guys. Okay, y'all, so my skillet is nice and hot. So I'm gonna lay those pieces down in there. And what I'm trying to do is just get a good brown, just get a good crispy sear on it. It's not going to be cooked all the way. So you want to make sure that you leave your salmon on there for a while. I say about 3 minutes each side. Okay. Make sure I got y'all good. I got that good lightning, y'all. I'm trying, you guys. I hope that you all are enjoying my video. I hope that you guys are enjoying your day. Remember that slow and steady wins the race, and no one controls your destiny but you guys. And the only way something will not work is if you stop. I promise you, God has seen this day before you. And remember that you got to keep going, and everything's already worked out. You just got to keep going, y'all. Okay. My week is going great. Kind of slow. Honestly, I haven't been as productive as I should have been. But you know what? I'm getting this video out to y'all. And I'm proud of myself for that. Because I didn't do one thing today, but I'm going to do something else. And it's not about the days that you count. You have to count. Make the days count. That's what it is. Make the days count. Okay, y'all. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get a good sear on this. Turn it over when it gets crispy. And then we're going to put it in the oven. Some people like their salmon to be in there for, 10 minutes to 15 minutes. It all is up to you. I am going to pan sear it 3 minutes on each side. And then I'm going to put it in my oven on 350 for another 10 minutes or so, okay? Until it is at my consistency that I like. I like it to be kind of flaky but dry at the same time, if that makes sense. So again, it's all up to you guys. This is a very easy meal. I know I say that a lot. See how you got that salmon? That nice color on there. That's all you want right there. Okay. And put some garlic in there. Okay. Now what we're doing right now is we're making we are making the Alfredo, okay? Go ahead and put your cream in there, your 2 cups of cream. Then you guys, I've used cream cheese for mine. I think it's pretty good. Adds extra flavor. And of course, extra fat that we don't need, but that's okay too. Okay. Come on, cream cheese girl. Okay, into that, I'm going to put in my ranch seasoning. Again, available on my site. I'm going to put in just as much as I want to. I'm going to put in as much as I want to, but I'm telling you guys, this ranch Alfredo is really different. And I just thought about it one day. It's like, let me put some ranch inside of my Alfredo. See how that tastes. And y'all, it's good. Okay, and my pasta is done. I'm just gonna run some cold water over it. Okay, so when this cream cheese melts down, we'll come back and then we're gonna put the cheese in it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of parsley in here. Y'all know I love my parsley. Okay, y'all, here's the fun part. Add all your cheese in. Okay. And for all y'all that's going to say, oh, girl, you shouldn't be using that while you're with... Listen. Leave me and my scraped up pants alone. Okay? All right. I still love you, though, but leave me and my scraped up pants alone. Okay? Now, at this point, the Alfredo is going to get a little thick. Okay? This is where I use my best judgment on how much water I want to put in there. Okay? And most of the times it ends up being maybe a half a cup of water that I add to it. Okay? And along to that, I'm also going to be putting in my peppers at this point. Okay? So it can all be merry together. Just dump them all in. Okay? Okay, that's so beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna let that marry. Then we're gonna add in our noodles. Then after we add in our noodles, we're gonna add in our salmon. And y'all, it's gonna be party time from there. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna put those noodles in. Woo! And mix it. And, huh?
She got my sword.
Okay.
Oh, here's it.
Okay.
I got some.
So y'all, I'm telling you, this pasta about to be so bomb, banging, and what they say, bussin'. Okay, so I am gonna go back over it a little bit with my all-purpose seasoning, just because y'all, I can't get enough of that seasoning, and I have y'all know that it is low sodium. Okay, very low sodium, so you ain't gotta worry about it being too much. So you don't have to worry about it being too much salt. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and put these salmon pieces in here, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a close-up of this salmon. See that there? Ready and all done. Okay, y'all, so at this point, I'm about to put this salmon in there. Okay, and I'm just gonna lay it right on top. Okay, y'all. So, putting my rest of my salmon in there. Okay. Y'all cannot go wrong with this meal. And that is it, my creators. That is it. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you made it to the end of the video. I thank you so much. And remember to believe in you. Slow and steady wins the race, my baby. Until next time, my creators.